everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. Hang on, here comes the car. So I'm working out in my front yard today. Just got my bushes trimmed up and I need to pick up the clippings still on one of them. Trying to get them all trimmed so I can add my Halloween lights to them. And I've put a few little things up. I have this little cemetery grave out here, and it's pretty cool at nighttime. It lights up, and I'll show you what it looks like in the dark. But there's my skeleton friend and this little pumpkin monster. He's pretty creepy. He does a lot of spooky talking. And then over here, I have made these pumpkin ghosts, I guess you'd call them, out of a tomato cage that I've just wrapped up with what's a white garbage bag. And then I found these shears over at Goodwill for $1. I made the arms out of baling wire and just bent them. And then his head is just a pumpkin pail that the kids use to go trick-or-treating, and then I just put some lights down on the top of it so it'll light up tonight. I'm getting my blow-ups up in the yard, so it'll look pretty neat. So when I get this done, I'm going to show it to you. So it's getting really hot. It's about 95 degrees today. I can't believe it. But I'm making some progress. And here's my yard with my blow-ups and my ghost, my pumpkin head ghost, my little cemetery. I do have my lights all wrapped around my bushes. Really can't see it yet. I'll show you at night. And then on my jack-o'-lanterns, they'll be lit up at night. I just tucked some fall flowers around it, and I think I'm going to leave my big pots up. I still like them. So I finally got done. It took me 4 hours to do this. So, and the sun's starting to set. I'll show you what it looks like at night, and you're going to get a glare from the sun right now. So here's my blow-ups and my pumpkin ghosts that I made. I have a couple jack-o'-lanterns down there that'll light up. And at nighttime, the heads on these pumpkin ghosts light up. And there's a spooky tree back there. We've had that for years and years. And I think this one's so cute. The big pumpkin with the 3 ghosts coming out kind of matches my pumpkin ghosts that I made. Okay, sorry for the sun glare. So here's my little grave, and this guy lights up at night, and he's got a little jack-o'-lantern and his headstone, rest in peace. And this guy's kind of scary. So he's so he's a little bit scary, and I have to turn him off at night. Oh my goodness, it's so loud. It's so loud. So at night I have to make sure I turn him off. Here's my little pathway markers that I just made, and they're not lit up, but I think Halloween night I'll probably put some glow sticks down in them and light them up. So I got my bushes all lit up. You can't really tell now, but I think it's going to look really good tonight. And coming up to my porch, I have this creepy little witch that we've had for a long time. Her eyes light up red. I don't think you can see that. And then I have my light up jack-o'-lanterns here with these little skull and crossbone fences. I just left my autumn flowers on the porch. I think they're so pretty. Another light up jack-o'-lantern here. And then coming up to my porch, I have my friend. He's waving hello, Mr. Skeleton. And he's holding a black pumpkin with an orange spider. Actually, I think that spider must have jumped off this bush. And this little pumpkin in here. I don't know if you can hear him. He makes some creepy noises. He's motion activated. Then I have a little black and white jack-o'-lantern down there and a rat. And then this haunted sign that I showed you earlier that I got at Dollar Tree for $5. I couldn't believe I found that wreath for $2.49 at Goodwill. This is a sign that I've had for a long time. We always have the screen open because Mom's in a wheelchair. It just makes it easier for her to get in and out. This ghost sign I found, it's wood, and I found that at Ross this year. It was like, I don't know, $14, I think. Super cute. And then I have a couple bats flying. What's Halloween without bats, right? And then just a little table over here with a little bit of florals on it. Used to be in the house. I'll bring that back in around Thanksgiving time. And then a little sign over here that says Happy Halloween. So, I will show you what everything looks like at night. Okay, so this is what it looks like at nighttime. I really like it. It's my blow-ups. And the spooky tree over here, I have a light on it. You can hear it. Halloween's so much fun. We get so many trick-or-treaters. My goodness, we get a lot of kids. I'm really happy I got it done. Here's my little grave right here. I love the way he lights up. There's his headstone, and there's the scary guy. And my bushes, I think, look really nice. It's hard to tell, but they are purple and orange. This one bush took about 7 strands of lights. I couldn't believe it. And then this one here, it looks like a spider web on the top. It's orange lights, and it got some spiders right in the middle. She'll greet the trick-or-treaters as they come up on the porch. And here's my light-up jack-o'-lanterns. The only thing I haven't done yet is I haven't changed out the porch lights. I usually put some orange or purple porch lights out here so it's not too bright. Yet I still want people to be able to see. That little jack-o'-lantern in there. He looks so evil. Just tied a little bow on top. So I'm really pleased with it. I think it came out really cute. It's hard to see, but there's a couple hanging bats. And then this is dark over here. I really need to put a light over here. So thanks everyone for watching. And I'll see you next time round. And Mr. Skeleton says goodbye. Love you guys. See you soon. Bye for now.